All right, around this time of year at AirLogic, we like to do a little thank you video to some of our best suppliers. Today, we're gonna do Tykma because they make this little Minilase laser engraving machine. We've had it for about a year and a half. We just love it. So I just want to do a quick shout out, thank you to these guys because they make a great product. So just a little bit about what we're doing here. So we make pressure switches on this production line. It's a highly configurable product. We can put different micro switches, springs, diaphragms. We can do a lot of different things with this product. And so we have a lot of different part numbers. So we need a marking solution that has, it's easy to use and it's very flexible and can mark whatever we need to do on this pressure switch. So this Minilase just does a great job, like I said. So we make our own little fixture, we put it in there. You can pull up a program with just a scan of a USB, barcode scanner. And then this thing has an easy mode button. So what's gonna happen is it's gonna shut the door, do the laser engraving, and then open the door back up. All right, so I'm gonna show you how this thing works. We have our fixture in there. Already in easy mode, which is just an awesome name for a button. And we're gonna just hit start, door comes down. You can see the laser engraving happening through the window there. Cycle's about 6 seconds. Got a little bit of extra time to make sure all the fumes get pulled off from our plastic part here. And boom, we're engraved, ready to go. So what's great about this is we can do a single part, we can do 10,000 parts on this. It's just super flexible to what we need on this production line. So again, just wanted to do a special shout out to Tykma. The guys do a great job. Yeah, keep up the good work, guys.